Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do printhead alignment on an Epson XP-452. Now this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the buttons on the front of the machine. So if you're not already on the home screen that looks like this, you want to press the home button on the left to be taken there. Now from this screen we can use the right arrow to take us along to setup. Once you see setup is highlighted, press OK to go in. Then you're going to want to go down and into maintenance. And printhead alignment is the third option. Press OK to go in. Now presumably you've already got paper in, but if you haven't, get that done. You want to press this little rhombus here, and it will take the printer just a minute. And when it's done, you'll be left with something that looks like this. You get a whole series of boxes, lines in various positions, numbers alongside them. Now, I'm going to go close to the screen. Now, from each of these options, you see here marked number 1. It's asking the quality of number 1, and you're looking for the box with the least lines on it. So, if we can have a look at this. On this one, I'd say that's number 6. So, you can use the arrows to go up to 6. It's indicated there. Press OK. Number 2. I'd say number 4's correct, so we'll press OK. And just carry on in this way with 3, 4 and 5. And then you're done. You're just fine tuning the quality of your print, getting rid of any lines that are running down your prints, little bits like that. It's a good step for fine tuning slight print quality issues with your printer. If however you've done this and the issues remain, I'd recommend nozzles cleaning, bits like that, hopefully pull through a bit of fresh ink. It's likely to remove any of the lines you've got, especially if they're running horizontal across the page. You've got the options on screen here if you want to see how to do them. Directly from your printer, we've got videos there, as well as on the cleaning cycles, ink cartridge replacement, bits like that. But I hope you found what you're looking for here. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.